You know what else sucks? Dr. Anthony Fauci. Which is surprising that we haven't covered Dr. Anthony Fauci. And, like, considering how long we've done this for. So, what are we discussing now? Well, apparently, the NIAD, which is, I think, Anthony Fauci, what he works for, or an organization that he's connected to, now, I don't know how many of you have been paying attention to politics or in America, but for months, we had people like mainly Senator Rand Paul. He was like the main dude championing this, with some other Republicans as well. Apparently, for months, that was not true, and that was fake news, obviously. But now, apparently, it did fund the lab. Apparently, it did, and it did fund gain-of-function research, which involved on a bat. But that research they funded, the grant that they give, that the organization gave to the Wuhan lab, it was not used for COVID-19. Apparently. Because apparently the two viruses are genetically different. I don't know how accurate that is. I am not a virologist. Now, apparently they were experimenting to see if this virus from a bat could affect, I don't know if it was humans, if it was mice, or was it both. It's a bit confusing because I'm not a scientist, again, as I said, but I will make sure that it's what the explanation is on here on the screen so you guys can read. But apparently how NIAD had it in the terms and conditions was where they made sure that it was sort of fake, like not fake, but Eco Health Alliance had to do something. They didn't do it. I can't exactly remember what it was. It's a bit confusing. But because of that, they now have, like, I think 5 days to hand all of the research they had back to NIAD. Okay, correction. It was NIH, not NIAD. I don't know the difference. And this is all very too similar. Seriously, America, what is with all of your health organizations all sounding the same? Although I guess New Zealand does have the Ministry of Justice, Health, Transport, Finance, Food, Donuts, so I guess we can't really judge. But apparently part of why the NIH was not concerned or not bothered and okay and willing to give the grant to Eco Health Alliance was because, based on their research, it had been shown that the pathogens that they were working with could not affect humans, so they had no reason to believe that a pandemic would break out. But apparently, again, this is apparently not COVID-19. Apparently the two viruses are genetically distant, and I'm not a virologist or anything like that, so I wouldn't know.